because joining us now is Arun Yogiraj, somebody who actually sculpted the statue of Ramlala, the Murti of Ramlala, which is now inside the Ram Mandir, which you see on your screens right now. Arun Yogiraj ji,
नमस्ते।
बहुत बहुत नमस्कार और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको. You are today seeing the day when the Ram Mandir construction is complete. Thoughts?
Yes. Hello.
What are your thoughts today? Finally, the entire structure, the Ram Mandir in all its glory, it's finally complete. Sampurna Ram Mandir.
Yes, ma'am. It's a pride moment for all of us. In the year 2024, the Garbhagriha was completed and Ramlalla was Pratishthapana. Today, it's the completion of Ram Mandir. At the same time, I believe the continuity of legacy. So, by this, I think it's a hope that we are continuing the legacy where we saw temples was constructed centuries ago. I think in future generation, they'll remember this day on the 21st century. आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये धर्म ध्वजारोहण किया और मंदिर का पूर्ण का एक संदेश पूरा राम भक्त पूरा विश्व में सबको ये अनाउंसमेंट उन्होंने कर दिया. It's a great day for us, man. We have waited for this from past 500 years.
पहले खुद रामलला की जो आपकी मूर्ति थी उसको राम मंदिर के अंदर देखना और आज धर्म ध्वजा का फहराया जाना. धर्म ध्वजा के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इस जो ये एक this moment, what does this mean to you, and what does it mean to you that every day lakhs of people are going to see the Ramlala who pass through your hands?
Even I will go as a devotee of Ramlalla. I never feel that ये मैंने sculpt किया है और ये मेरा Ramlalla. I'm not the owner of that. I'm as a devotee. Every time I go to Ayodhya, I just see him as a devotee of Ram. And Dharma Dwaj, of course, it's a Adhyatmic connection here. And we saw, in the Puri Jagannath Mandir, where the Dharma Dwaj will be hoisted every day. So it's a symbol of completion, and also it's a symbol of faith. It's a symbol of our true prayer, which is come true. So I can say, ma'am, this is it's a completion time. We waited for this, and our thousands of sculptors. Sculpted with not only as a decorative piece, it's a form of prayer. They sculpted the Ram Mandir with a purity of intention and purity of hands and skills. And I think this is the best gift the whole nation can get.
What is the emotion on the top of your mind today? Is it exhilaration? Is it pride? Is it a gentle sense of sadness of what has happened down the ages? What is the emotion you feel today, topmost?
Ma'am, it's everything, ma'am. I think I feel joy, and somewhere I felt why it took so many years to get it happen. And if I when I was at Ayodhya, I was hearing a lot of struggles, a lot of sacrifices. I met the families who lost their parents' life. At this, some of the sacrifices. if I think of that, and it's a very very sadful thing, but all of their sacrifices and all of their efforts right now, it's the respect due was paid. So it's a full of emotions today. I'm so happy and so emotional because this is देश को समर्पित हो रहा है, and I think we are witnessing that's a very very big thing, ma'am.
Absolutely. You mentioned you met the car sevaks, you met the Swayam Sevaks, you met families of those who had sacrificed their life. What did they tell you? जैसा उन्होंने सोचा था रामलला क्या उन्हीं के मन मुताबिक है? What did they think of the Ramlala that you made?
They shared the all experience, ma'am. That some of his parents wanted to happen very badly. Some of them, took me to the place where they lost their life. So if I see that all those things, I felt okay. This is a big responsibility on me. Make sure every stroke should be taken care with the divinity and love. So this is what I even prayed every day. Make sure you will be here and make sure you will give darshan to the whole nation. So by praying every day to him and before doing the work and after completing of my daily work, we prayed that he will bless the whole nation, and also the place, the time, the person we meet. That's all influenced at the time of doing this Ram Lalla. I think that's the reason. I think it's reached millions and billions of heart of Ram devotees.
No, and I have to say that when I went for darshan and there were people around me, one thing they always say that अभी भी लगता है जैसे रामलला की आंखें आपको देख रही हैं. आपको और किसी लोगों ने बताया है ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am. This is okay. At the time of sculpting, हमको पता नहीं और दूसरा आर्टिस्ट क्या कर रहा है, एंड मैंने जानकारी लेना था वो क्या कर रहा है, बट हमारा पास 3 लोग थे वेयर दे कैन गो टू ऑल 3 स्टूडियोज. मैंने उन बच्चों से पूछा आप तीनों मूर्ति में कौन सी पसंद है, उन्होंने बताया तीनों पसंद है. मगर मैंने फिर से पूछा भाई साहब आप जज हो और किसको सेलेक्ट करते हैं. देन उन्होंने बताया सर मैं आपका सेलेक्ट करता हूँ. और मैंने बताया फिर से नहीं आप झूठ बता रहे. देन दे टोल्ड नहीं साहब आपका मूर्ति में हमको लगता है हमारा राम हमारा साथ बात करने वाला है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट फीडबैक आई गॉट फ्रॉम द चिल्ड्रंस, एंड आई थिंक दिस द फीडबैक आई रिसीव फ्रॉम द होल नेशन नाउ.
Arun Yogiraj ji, before I let you go, you said you yourself have been a Ram Bhakt, you've been a Ram devotee. On this day today, any bhajan, anything at all, any 2 lines that you would want to sing, you would want to tell the country? Any bhajan at all that you like?
Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, that's it, man.
Jai Shri Ram. बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.
The whole year we never used hello hi. We used to use Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.